SNS Institution, a multidisciplinary global institution and the first institution to implement design thinking curriculum in education. Our institution works based on a holistic 5-group building centers. The 5 pillars are Center for Learning and Teaching, Skill and Career Development, Center for Creativity, Industry Institute Partnership Cell, and Social Responsibility Initiatives.
Hi, my name is Sanjay. I'm currently doing my UG Food Technology at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, I will tell about Internet of Things in food supply chain. And I gonna tell this through the design thinking activity. Design thinking is solving a problem through creativity, and it has 5 major pillars, that is empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. In empathize, we have to develop a overall idea of the problem statement, and in define part we have to identify the particular problem what we have to solve, and in ideate we have to develop a solution for the particular problem statement, and prototype we have to develop a prototype measures to solve the problem, and in test we have to solve the problem through the solution. And the problem status: despite in complicated conditions in food supply chain, we identify the risk in it based on food related standards in China. We analyze the problem statements and summarize the type of risk, then map them into 5 major processings. The processes are production, processing, transportation, storage and sale. The classification will help us to find the risk key in each procedure and take measures to mitigate them. And what we're gonna see about empathy part. Food processing predicts the IoT will hit in food industry with 3 major waves. The first wave is fixed users or PC connected through network, and second via sensors, and third through other things. Once plants are fully connected and the data are aggregated, machine learning can flow. In define part, we're gonna see about what is meant by Internet of Things and why it is used in food industry. Internet of Things IoT is defined as network of devices that gather and convey data via the internet. For an instance, IoT facilitates and companies to ensure superior levels of treatability, food safety and therefore accountability all through the farm to plate supply chain through operations. And we see one of the major companies which using the IoT in food safety is Milan Markovic, Peter Edward, Martin Collingham, Computing Science, University of Aberdeen, Alan Ho, Robert Institute of Nutrition and Health, and University of Aberdeen. And other part is ideate part. In ideate, we gonna see about monitoring. The majority of articles within the category monitoring studied control for food quality, and it used as IoT things. Quality control in regard and several meanings controlling critical control points, that is HACCP, and monitoring degradation, monitoring of resource consumption and disease prevention. And later we gonna see about food safety and quality monitoring. A food fraud IoT system was designed by Gupta and Rakesh to monitor adolescents in food products. The proposed system was described as a simple and effective, which can be used by several actors in the food supply chain. Example, they can use farmers, consumers and authorities to detect food adolescents. And third one is shelf life monitoring. Chen and colleges proposed a smart cold system to monitor and freshness using sensors recording temperature, humidity and pressure in cold chain, and a new type of RFID that the system can continue its services even when the backend system is disconnected. And let's hear about pesticide residue monitoring. Jing and his colleges described a new mobile sensitivity observometer to monitor pesticide residues on the field. The system used as a photo detection front end sensor and onboard microcontroller that communicates with 4G technology between the smartphone, the cloud and the food safety specialist. Bluetooth technology was used for the communication between on-field detector and interface. And let's see about conclusion. IoT in food safety is relatively a new approach. In 2011, the first article appeared in, and it increased then. Majority of the studies were performed by Chinese universities, and the main IoT applications reported were on food supply chains to trace food products, followed by monitoring of food safety and quality. The vast majority of applications were related to food, meat, cold chain products and agricultural products. And let's see about the MCQ question about this session. And first one is which of the following is not part of trustworthy IoT? And first option is reliability, second option is safety, and third option is interoperability, and last is privacy. And the answer is option C, interoperability. And the second question is, which of the following is a task performed by sensing layer in IoT enabled food industry? And the first option is monitoring environmental condition, and second is monitoring food quality. And both options are correct. We use both monitoring environmental condition and monitoring food quality for the sensing layer in IoT industry. And the third question is, which of the following is a challenge in traditional manufacturing? And the first option is unavailability of real-time data, and second one is longer changeover time, and third is extended production time. And the answer is all of the above. We use all these three methods to identify traditional manufacturing. And the last one is to analyze the data of IoT power plant industry, which of the following algorithms are used? Machine learning algorithm or artificial intelligence algorithm? And the answer is all of the above. We use both machine learning algorithm and artificial intelligence algorithm. And the last one is, which of the following layer of IoT healthcare architecture provides a protocol to connect and share data? The first option is sensing layer, and second one is sending layer, and third one is processing layer, and fourth one is storing layer. And the answer are sending layer. And the reference links are given there, and YouTube links also given there. You can